What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh.
What's up, girlfriends? Excuse me for looking so crazy, but I was really tired before I started this video, but I wanted to get it out for you guys and start it in the evening. So I'm basically pre-pooing my hair with this oil from my stash. It's the sunflower oil from the Just For Me texturizer kit. I used to texturize my hair, my boy's hair, so yeah, if you haven't seen my stash video, go check it out. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and pre-poo my hair in the evening and have it sit overnight so that I'd be ready for wash day in the morning. So here you just see me sectioning my hair off first, and I'm gonna go through and detangle and apply the oil. I know it looks like I've been really rough with my hair, like raking my fingers through and all that, but I really was not being rough at all. This video is really sped up. I edited it way down, so it just looks like that. But I was really taking my time, going through the each section, tending to the knots that I had, and yeah, just trying to apply the oil and get those tangles out the best that I could. All right, we are all set for the night. See you in the morning. And now it's time to wash my hair. So I'm using the Lotta Body Moisturize Me shampoo. I really like that shampoo. It's very moisturizing, non-stripping, and it makes my hair feel soft and clean. So I really like that one. But I tend to do 2 shampoos. So you're going to see me shampoo once, rinse, and then shampoo again. This is just what I do no matter if I'm shampooing or co-washing. That's just how I do it. So yeah, the first time I really try to attend to the scalp, and then the second time is more focused on the hair. So those are my 2 washes. So we're done with washing. Now it's time to decondition. Today I'm going to be using my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafira oil, as well as the Hask oil treatment that I had that was in my stash. So I'm just mixing these two together and applying to my hair. We'll sit under the heat conditioning cap for about 30 minutes or so, and then we'll come rinse it out. Of course, I'm detangling with my Tangle Teaser, y'all. I love that little brush. Check it out. It was in my haul. I did a haul video on it, and I also have a review video on that coming up. Check them out. But yeah, this is the next step. I'm so pleased with this wash day. This is how much shedded hair came out as a total, you know, for everything, when everything was said and done. This is the least amount of shedded hair I've ever had. That pre-poo is everything, okay? Pre-pooing is everything. I will not sleep on pre-pooing ever again. Y'all should try it. And we're all rinsed out. This is what my hair is looking like. It's really, really nice. I think it's looking pretty okay. I am due for a trim, so we'll get there. But the next step is to go ahead and moisturize, well, not moisturize, but oil my scalp. And as you can see, this technique that I'm doing is I'm dragging the oil to my fingertips and then just massaging my scalp with my fingertips. And then I'll go ahead and use my, I forget what this thing is called, the head massager thing, to massage my scalp for like a good 5 to 10 minutes. And this felt so amazing. All right, now it's basically time to start styling. So I'm definitely using a leave-in this time because I'm just going to be twisting up my hair and leaving it alone. We're using the Mielle leave-in, as you saw, and I'm just going to go in, make sure I get that all over my strands, and yeah, break it through with the brush, and just make sure my hair is fully coated with the leave-in. Okay, next I'm going in with my cream of choice, which is the Mielle avocado milk. I'm going to follow that up with an oil on top. Guys, typically I do the LCO method. I really want to try the lock method. I may just do a comparison video in the future, but for the sake of this video today, you see I am doing the LCO method. So yeah, but basically after this, I would just twist up my whole head. And you know, if it was a twist out style, the next day I would, you know, take the twist out. But we're protective styling. It's winter time, and we're still quarantined, so I won't be taking my hair out. But just wanted to show you guys. This is my new regimen for 2021. Like I said, I had to step my game up with my hair and try some new techniques and try to save my hair and keep it healthy, y'all. Because as you see, I'm color treated and I'm high porosity, so my hair needs some TLC, extra TLC at that. So yeah, this is my new routine. Let me know if you guys have a similar routine or what your routine is. And yeah, like the video if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Keep it curly.
Perfect 10.